Wait. Before you skip this lesson, let me ask you something. Have you ever gone to a supermarket and you wanted to speak English, but the words did not come out? You felt shy, nervous, and you just stayed quiet? Well, today we will fix that. Hello everyone, welcome back to Amex English. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. Oh, we are so happy you are here with us today.
On this channel, Amex English, we practice real English for real life. Simple conversations, clear pronunciation, relaxed speaking. And today, we are going to the supermarket.
Yes, from the moment you enter until you pay, until you leave, we will practice everything step by step.
So relax your mind, take a deep breath, imagine you are walking with us. Are you ready, Emma?
Oh, yes, I am ready. Actually, I really need to buy many things. This morning, I opened my fridge and, it was almost empty. Oh, that is serious. Okay, listeners, imagine this. You are walking to the supermarket. You arrive at the entrance. The glass door opens slowly. You walk inside. Bright lights, long shelves, many people shopping. Sometimes I feel a little nervous when I enter a big supermarket. There are many aisles, many products, but I tell myself, relax, Emma. Go step by step.
Very good. First, you take a shopping cart or maybe a basket. You push it slowly.
Then you look at your shopping list. Rice, milk, eggs, bread, oil, sugar, fruit, vegetables.
Now imagine you cannot find the rice. You walk around, you look left, you look right, but no rice. What do you say?
You walk to a worker and say, "Excuse me, where's the rice?"
Perfect. Polite and simple. The worker answers, "It is in aisle 8.
You say thank you. He says, "You are welcome." Then you go to aisle 8.
You see many bags of rice. Big bags, small bags, different prices. You feel a little confused.
So you can ask, which one is cheaper? Or, how much is this one?
Very good. The worker may say, "This one is on sale today."
Oh, sale means lower price. That is good news.
You put the rice in your cart. Good job. One item finished. Let's continue shopping together. Now let us move to the fruit section. You see apples, bananas, oranges, and mangoes. Everything looks fresh and colorful.
Oh, I love the fruit section. The apples are red and shiny. But I cannot see the price clearly.
So what do you say?
You ask, how much are these apples?
Very good. The worker answers, "They are $4 per kilo."
You think, that is a little expensive, but they look fresh. So you decide to buy some.
You put apples in a small bag. Then you go to the weighing machine. You place the bag on the scale. You press the apple picture on the screen.
Sometimes I press the wrong button. Then I feel embarrassed. But it is okay.
Yes, it is okay. You can say, "Can you help me, please?"
The worker helps you. You say thank you.
Now you need vegetables. You see tomatoes, onions, carrots, and potatoes.
You pick up tomatoes. You check them carefully. Some are soft. Some are fresh. You choose the fresh ones.
Good. Now your cart has rice, apples, and vegetables. We continue smoothly.
Next is the milk section. Cold air touches your face when you open the fridge door.
Oh, yes, very cold. You see full cream milk, low-fat milk, small bottles, big bottles.
You feel confused. So you can ask, what is the difference between these two?
Or you can ask, which one is cheaper?
Very good. You choose one and put it in your cart.
Now you need eggs. You take a box, but always open it and check. Make sure no eggs are broken.
Very important. Then you go to the bread section. You smell fresh bread. It smells amazing.
You check the date. You say softly, "Okay, this one is fresh." Then you put it in your cart.
Now your cart is almost full, but near the cashier, you see chocolate.
This is dangerous. You think, just one small chocolate is fine.
And you put it in your cart. Okay, now it is time to pay.
You walk out of the supermarket. The door opens. Fresh air touches your face. You feel proud.
Because maybe today you spoke English, even one sentence. That is progress.
At Amex English, we want you to speak in real life. Not only listen, not only study, but speak.
Next time you go shopping, try one sentence. Maybe, "Excuse me, where is the milk?"
Or, "How much is this?"
Small steps every day.
Before we finish, if you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video.
And subscribe to Amex English for more simple, real-life English practice.
Share this lesson with a friend who wants to improve English.
And tell us in the comments, have you ever spoken English in a supermarket?
We read your comments. We love hearing from you.
Thank you for practicing with us today.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye everyone, and happy shopping.